welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be in the truck. we went to the Hobby Lobby. Well, it doesn't say Hobby Lobby in the bag. Live creative. Well, look at Hobby Lobby. I saw somebody hauling a bunch of things and shopping at the Hobby Lobby because there were so many clearances, and I wanted to come and get those clearances from the beads and things like that. Well, mine didn't have them on clearance, most of the things, and then other clearance things were like spread out throughout the store and going to the cashier. So but the first thing I'm going to show you, they had 50% off of the decor, like, you know, their frames and things like that. And there was a section where they had a 75% off, and that's where I found this cutie. Look at that. It's a little pig. I no longer have my pig. I actually we rehomed it to somebody that had a way bigger house, and they wanted a pig. And anyway, another story. So I got this one to remember him, and look at that. It was only $4 and what was it, 99, $4.99. Yeah, so I got it for that. There were only 2 of them, like this kind of style. I wish they had another one, but they didn't. But yeah, we got that. Then look at Hobby Lobby. Most of the things also had some kind of a clearance, 50%, 40%. So I thought somebody was gonna come here. So anywho, look at these. I did had seen these all like singled out. They were like, I think 74 cents, I can remember. Then I found the whole bundle of chiles that they used to be $10, and I got it for $2.49. They are the way to grow artificial fruits, and I want to make, all the stems are kind of falling off, but I want to make a little dangler thing for $2. It used to be 10. And there's that. And then these were regular price. These are for the doll making house. Is that what it is? Yeah. This is like a paint table. She grabbed 2 of these little Mayberry Street miniatures. This is the artist painting tools. It's like the little box with all the painting tools. And this is an artist workbench. Look at that. She got them for her little Barbies. So these were regular price. Those weren't any. Then Layla got this one. This wood pile. Is it wood pile? Wood pile. It's a little unicorn. This is $2.99, but I believe that one had the 40% off, so it's a little bit less. Then I got these jewelry things. I think this was also on, I think this was regular price. I could be wrong. I think it was 50% off, $1.99. These are the pony bead lasting. I don't know. It's to make little, like these kinds of things, but I got it for another purpose. It's like this elastic thing. Got 2 of those. Then I got these beads, and these beads were 50% off. So see, $2.99, so I got it for $1.50. These are the heart beads, and this used to be $2.49, and I got it for half of $2.49. And these are like iridescent stars. Then I found these 39 cents, and for Nena, for me. Then I got these, all these other things were like scattered all over. I got this one. This is actually a lanyard holder for your face covering, for your face mask, but I don't want it for that purpose. It does has those little things for you to hook it. It was $3.99, but it was 50% off, so I got it for $1.50. And look at it, these little beads. I wanted it for a necklace, for like a gummy bear thing. Then these were towards the the cashiers. I got 2 of them. There were only 2. You can see they were $1.99, and they used to be $8, $7.99 to $1.99. But it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, like little neck bracelets, and you can see all those little fruits. So double $1.99. Then on the jewelry, I found these ones for $1.24. They used to be $5, and they're L's for Luna and Layla. They're little pins for their things. I have something in mind. Then I found this one for $1.99 as well. Used to be $8, and it's a little dolphin. It is also a pin. I got this for my friend. She loves dolphins, and I thought about her when I saw it in those other videos where they hauling. So I got this one. And I think that is all that I got. I'm gonna check my receipt to see if everything was like how it was. The little girl, the cashier, not the little girl, told me everything was on sale or in clearance, most of them. Well, not the little doll making thing. But yeah, that is what we got from the Hobby Lobby. And another little way, they also got they got
candy
and cheese crackers, I think. Yeah. Well, yeah, that is all that I can show you guys for today. There's my Hobby Lobby haul. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in another video, maybe in this format, maybe not. And if I'm looking over there, it's because I'm recording on my phone and I'm looking at the view, like the phone, not where I'm supposed to look, right there. But anywho, that is all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so. If you did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.